Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Terraria video. I'm the GamePro232, and I'm here to show you, with my trusty pet penguin, who really wants to get outside, how to make a really cool thing, and that would be a gravitational potion, because I would really like to walk on my ceiling, because I'm just like that. It'd be cool. So, without further ado, let's get on with this tutorial. You will need one bottle, one fire blossom, one blink root, one deathweed, and finally, one feather. To get a bottled water, you will need one glass to craft 2 bottles and on a furnace, and you will need to fill those bottles with water by standing in any amount of water and crafting bottled water in the potions section. You will need to get a fire blossom to get that. You will need to find it in the underworld and swing your sword like a maniac and collect it. To get a blink root, you can find that in the you can usually find it growing underground on plain dirt and mud, and you can also make a blink root farm with pots and dirt and stuff like that. To get death weeds, they grow like I don't know what they grow like, but they grow in the corruption and crimson. To get a feather, you need to kill a bunch of harpies. You have a pretty high chance of getting a feather from a harpy. So let's just make this potion. You'll need, oh sorry, stupid me, I'm a Wally. As you can see, the gravitational potion is consumable, allows the control of gravity, and has a 3-minute duration. You craft this thing on an alchemy station. To get an alchemy station, you place a empty bottle on a workbench. So let's craft this thing. And just as a demonstration, I'm going to show you I cannot turn upside down, and I don't really want to float into space right at the moment, so I'm standing at that island. Pretty cool, actually. Really cool. I'm just like, all I'm doing is hopping up and down. And look at the way that the wisp is. That's pretty cool, yeah. Now let's just float away into the abyss. Whee! Oh, yep. This is gravitational potions are extremely useful in finding floating islands because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You can float into space. That's where floating islands are. And that's where harpies are, where you can get feathers to make more gravitational potions. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the GamePro232, and I'm out. See you later, folks.